When you hear or see Jes Iscah, I want you to think lifestyle. I want you to think life in general. As a creative, I wanted a way to contribute to the lifestyle space. So I looked at my experiences, past and present, and came up with this new baby. I studied ceramics, molding, kneading, firing, glazing. All of that was so exciting to me. And currently, I'm loving scents a lot. So I decided to merge the two and let you have it in your homes. I want you to have bits and pieces of me in your homes, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Everything was handcrafted, from the ceramic containers to me actually painting each ceramic container. Yes, I did. I actually painted each one of them. And when it comes to the soy wax, it burns for 45 hours, is 9 ounces. It's non-toxic. Soy wax comes from soybeans. It's eco-friendly. The wick itself is also cotton wick, which is also eco-friendly, as well as the container itself is ceramic. So you can even reuse it as a pot for your flowers, a decorative piece. You can even clean it up and put your brushes or something in there. So this collection is the bisque collection. As I mentioned earlier on, it's called the bisque collection because the clay is in its bisque state. It hasn't been glazed, so it's still in the bisque stage. There are 3 products in the box. When you get the box, there are 3 products. You have Will Be Done, you have Be On Fire, and then you have the One. So let's talk about each product and why the names. So Will Be Done. Will Be Done is you invoking positivity, success, greatness into your life. Just as when you pray and you tell God to make His will be done in your life, that's exactly what this product is. The candle is. So once you turn it off or once you blow out the candle, it's like making a wish. May your will be done. The one stands from love. So you can gift it to any loved one, a boyfriend, a husband, a friend, a mom, a sister, a brother, a colleague. Just spread love, yes. And the final one, Be On Fire. As the name says, be on fire. So you have to be on fire in every aspect of your life. Just let the light in you shine out. Just let it shine out to the world. Just don't be afraid. Just let it out. So once you light up your candle, it should serve as a reminder to let your light shine to the world. Just be free, be yourself, be a better version of yourself. Will Be Done smells beautiful, it smells soft, it smells like vanilla. Not too vanilla, but a little bit of vanilla. It has pomegranate, it has sexy cinnamon clove, it has musk in there. The One also smells like Thanksgiving. It smells like Christmas. It gives off a coffee chocolate vibe because it has jasmine, it has cafe Vienna, and then it has spice cedar. So it's a bit warm, a little bit spicy. It's really beautiful. I think it's my favorite. The last one, Be On Fire, is basically caramel popcorn. It smells like caramel popcorn. So it's warm, it's also a little bit spicy. It has an attitude. I think you will like it. These are my babies, my 3 little ones. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you can always DM us to purchase, pre-order, and also send an email to get yours. Make them comfortable in your homes.